Hey, before we begin today's episode, stop and subscribe below. Can I eating? What's up? It's your boy Pio. We here, BT and Nexus. Today we're gonna eat gold food, not say gold chain, gold everything. Today, you know what I'm saying?
My name is Justine Verzo. I'm the executive chef of Ainsworth, which is a bar restaurant here in New York City. We've been making the gold wings for about 2 months now. The process of making the wings is we brine the chicken wings for 10 hours. After we brine them, we put a house-made dry rub on them, and then we finish baking them. On order, we flash fry them for about 30 seconds to a minute. And after that, we toss them on with gold butter, chipotle honey. To finish, we just add a little bit of gold dust on top.
Hi, Pio. How are you? Good. How are you?
I'm so hungry. I'm hungry. I need something expensive.
There you go, amigo. Golden wings for you with blue
Golden
cheese.
wings. Bro, this is real gold?
Yeah, it is. 24 kilos.
24?
Mm-hmm.
Can I eat it?
Yes, you can.
Hey, what is this?
Blue cheese.
That's not blue, that's white. You know, see?
They call it blue, though.
What you mean blue cheese? What you mean?
Try it.
Can I try the gold?
Go for it.
I don't wanna try because this is intoxica la gente.
No, it's not tosita. It's good for you.
I can try.
Yeah, try.
I am eating gold right now. 24K. How much is this for
So the 10 piece is $45, but if you get the 50 piece, it's $1,000, and it comes with a bottle of Ace of Spades.
You hear this? For 50 pieces and a liter you get one ace space. Nothing. It's Gucci. Why gold come from?
This gold that we actually get from our purveyor is basically, it's not your natural gold that you have on your ears or jewelry or anything like that. It's
Put me clear.
it's
I don't wanna die right now. That's my first time and try it, and I like it. Nice. I got gold in my
Stomach.
in my stomach or barriga. Nice. So, will I poop gold?
hopefully not.
Oh my God. Can you give me a kiss? No. You have to pay me for kiss. Here you go, kiss. I don't give you kiss because my kiss is expensive. If you like what you saw, subscribe below for more beauty and more access. Subscribe below.